Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV. This is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. So the first thing is we want to put these headphones into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when it is blinking red, blue, red, blue. Now on one side here we have the buttons, okay? So we have a plus button and a minus button. So first thing I want to do is turn these headphones off. I'm going to press and hold that plus button. Just press and hold and wait till that red light pops on. Okay, right there, let go. Now it's off. Now to put it in pairing mode, I'm going to press and hold this plus button until it starts blinking blue, red, okay? Plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold, wait. There we go, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now leave it just like this, shoot over to your TV. Go to your settings, you can click on the settings button if you have it on your remote. If not, just go to the home page and just navigate wherever your settings is. Mine's over here, the gear icon, right there. I'll select that. And then all settings is highlighted there, the gear icon, let's select that. And then from here on the left side here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Let's go ahead and select that. Now we're going to go down to pair accessory. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go to pair accessory. Go ahead and select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode. And what do you know? It did find it. Let me just go highlight it. Select it. We should get a pairing request. There we go. Select on pair. And then voila, it's connected. Lights just went off and it says connected down there as well. And we can go down here and you can see it says connected right there. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put this in pairing mode, where you had issues connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.